Okay, today is the day where we finally get to install our cabinets. I'm super excited. Just waiting for Dyonna to come outside. How's it look?
You already did it?
No, I just clamped it.
I was about to say, you called me out here to...
Okay, we got our first cabinet.
I'm so excited.
Installed.
That means I'm getting out of here soon.
And it looks good on the outside too.
Works for me. Work for you.
It does. This is gonna be our foam for our benches. We got the first bed side cabinet installed. This gap is gonna be for a shelf for like books and stuff. And we got the kitchen cabinet. So all that's left is this big heavy cabinet that's over there. Okay, I got the last cabinet up. It's looking pretty good.